SB.
Hello guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to Workshop Pix Video Card Reference Services. And today, meron tayong inaayos na GPU line number 3128. And by the way, I'm Tech Carl. And isa po tong GTX 1050 Ti na Ino 3D. Yung issue daw po na to, sabi ng customer is no display. Pero upon checking po is liquid damage po talaga yung issue. So, yung ginawa po natin ditong solution is pinalitan po natin yung SMD resistor and SMD capacitor. So, then ginamitan rin natin to ng 14 stages of cleaning and thermal paste replacement. Yan. So far so good naman po siya. Under stress test na po siya for almost 1 hour and 30 minutes. Yan, 31 minutes na siya. So, you can see, ito po yung GPU clock niya. Yan. GPU temperature 66, hotspot is 74 degrees, hand speed is 29%. So far so good naman po siya. Ayan, kita naman po natin na detected po yung driver niya. Then sa may game testing naman po, ayan, kita po natin, ang ginagamit po natin pang game test is Valorant. Ayan. Kita naman po na smooth naman po. Ano po siyang lag and ready to be claimed by our customer. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and see you on the next repair. Bye bye.